vai sentar no
Hello guys, how are you? And today I have a bit of a different video here. It's basically my next ideas, my what I want to do and what I will be continuing on this channel basically. So this is a small channel. I would not say small, but it's a small channel. Metaphorically, not really. Okay. Says in the USA. This is our channel name. Am I right, guys? Yes, I'm right, of course. Then what are going to be my future plans with this channel? What am I going to be doing? Am I going to be continuing vlogs or not? Because for the past like 6 months I have not uploaded anything on this channel. Will I will be discontinuing this channel? No, I will not be discontinuing. That's a different thing. So now what I will be continuing, first of all, vlogs. There will be a different section for vlogs. If you have seen my previous video, that was a tech video. Let me just pull that up here on my iPad here. Let me just pull that up for you, not for you but for my convenience. Already with this. Okay, so I had made this video. I just remembered once again the plans, okay, and how to code in C. That was the title of that video. Now this is a full video dedicated to this purpose, that what I'm going to be continuing on this channel. It's not a video like I'm going to be clubbing everything. No, it's not a clustered thing, but it is like I'll be creating a playlist for logs and a playlist as well as a playlist for coding, because there are people who are coming on this channel for coding purposes only, and I want to pursue only coding only. I don't want to put everything like just there. Shouldn't be like that. I want their coding vlogs also. Some people who are interested in vlogs, definitely they will come, and I'm going to schedule those plans also. And I have a very big project which I'm working on right now. I have not shooted all the exams or not, but my exams are going on currently. Last 2 are left. One is tomorrow and one is on Monday. Currently, as of now, it's the 12th of March 2026 while I'm filming this video, and it's about 7:50. So what are the things there now? And I'm filming a like 45 minutes or 1 hour video. I'm already filming and want to edit that video. So for that purposes, there will be the vlog first. But there are going to be days in which the vlogs will not come, but there will be days that vlogs will come. So there are a few days which are dedicated to one purpose. Okay, so according to that, I cannot upload every single day vlog also and coding video also. No. So for that, what I am going to be continuing is like for vlogs, when I'm going to film them, vlogs will be coming out on. See, I'm not going to film on Saturday, Sunday because that's a very usual day, but my working days are going to be Monday. And this is going to continue. If you want me to change it, I can change it later if I just think of it. Wednesday. And then Friday is very chill for me, so I don't think so Friday will be there. This is for vlog section. I hope you guys understood this. This will not be changed unless you guys talk about it. Okay, everything will be there on this channel. This is for vlogs. Next will be for the coding. What will I do with my coding now? Many people who are interested in coding are going to be hear about this and want to hear about it specifically. So that was 1 hour project, so that we don't want right now to talk about. I just want to talk about the thing like when to when, so I don't really want to include this right now. I just told you that I'm making this project, and next here also I can put a project. So my project is currently, which is going on, is making of an OS in C language. This is one project which is currently ongoing with my friend and with me as well. So I'm doing this project as well. Next, now where are going to be the videos coming? And now it's not going to be like interlock days. It's not going to be like that. Suppose interlock, by interlock I basically mean here is like, if you see, if you have a brick, if you see, so suppose you have a path to cover, this path you have, okay, but interlock are generally like these, okay, but I don't want to put all that now. I'm not going to go in technicals. 1 brick, 2 brick, 3, 4 and then 5. Now if you see, now I'm already uploading on Monday. This is Monday brick. Wednesday I'm uploading, that's that week brick. Now it's not going to be like I'm going to be uploading on Tuesday, no, or I'm going to be uploading on this day. It's not going to be like that. So it's just when I'm going to upload my videos. It's not when I'm going to film those videos. Maybe I will film on that day and post it on the next day, but it's going to be that day that is going to, videos are going to come. So Monday is going to be one video which is going to come, which will be of Thursday. So it's going to be like that, and Wednesday will be the Monday's vlog, and then Thursday will be Wednesday's vlog, and then Wednesday's vlog will be on Monday. Got it right? Next. Then when I'm going to be filming videos for this and uploading, of course. So basically there's going to be, first of all, how many videos in a week there will be. If you technically think there are going to be 2. If you technically think 2 vlogs. And how many videos for here? So basically this is 2, but if I include Saturday and Sunday also, then according to that I will be having 2 videos for this as well. It's balanced. Then which days I'm going to be uploading? So the number 1 day is going to be the Friday, and the number 2 day is going to be the Saturday. So these are again end to end, okay, but it can be that on Sunday I post. So I think I'm going to post on Sunday but vlog on Saturday. So Sunday I'm going to write here. So it's going to be basically like that. Now the question comes, which series that I want to I'm still thinking which series I'm going to continue. But mostly it's going to be OS builds and all those technical things. I'm going to be going in depth with C, with HTML and all those languages. So we're going to be covering many languages, many projects. But now the question arises. Okay, that question arose earlier. Am I quitting YouTube also specifically? The answer will be, guess the answer. Of course you know it's no. I'm not quitting. That's one question done. The second question is, why haven't I been uploading on this channel? Why? Well, if you see, I have quite a lot of things to do with. You can see one of it is trading. I've been doing trading for the past few months or 1 year. I'm going to specifically say, for the past 1 year I have been doing this trading, in which I'm making money, thousands of dollars I'm making, and currently my take profit is about to be smashed. So I will be making like $1,000 on this trade. So if you hit a stop loss, you lose money. If you hit your take profit, you get money. But it's not like gambling. It's not gambling. It is technical analysis which I do. And you can see there are boxes which is known as support and resistance, all that. BSL means buy side liquidity, MSS means market structure shift, order block, OB. So there are technical terms. I'm not going to go in that now. Okay. So it's basically going to be that. So that's why I was not doing. That's one more question done. I don't want to write it. Then will we do making of an application? Sure, we're going to do. Yes. With MIT App Inventor, we are going to be doing that. It is going to be amazing. And by the way, funny thing that tomorrow, not funny, but there is a thing, tomorrow is Friday. So I got to post something. Tomorrow I will make a vlog, or not a vlog, a coding video. I'm going to post it. Today is Thursday, I didn't film anything. So now there is no point in filming. So we will upload now on Wednesday on the Monday's vlog. That's how it's going to be. Fine guys, are you fine with this setup now? Just asking about this. I'm going to be uploading everything here, and then am I going to leave probably YouTube in the between, or between that journey I'm not going to do some things? The answer is still undecided, but my answer for leaving for the next 5 years is no. I'm not leaving. I'm still going to continue YouTube until I go to the US. I'm never leaving this channel until I get and achieve my goal. And then there also I'm going to film vlogs. So I'm going to be doing multitasking. And if you haven't checked out my channel, I got another channel. I got another channel which is named as Mindful Trading. I do trading there. Yesterday I had come live. I am very active in this channel because I help people make money. Basically, you can see this. Just don't mind these. This was some failure trades, not failure trades, failure live streams, because basically you can see my microphone was not working. These are not failure trades. Both microphones not working. So that's why I just didn't private it. You can see 33 seconds, 1 minute. Nothing more. 31. This was a profitable. All my trades till now are profitable. You can see this is also one of my trades. Yesterday I posted this video. That's why on my Instagram also I'm posting these things now. You can see target was hit almost. We took our cash here. So I help people make money also. So yes, I do a lot of things. I help people make money. So no, I am not ever quitting. Not ever meaning, but till not okay. Quitting. YT until I'm just saying, okay. After that also I can continue until I achieve my goal, which is Microsoft and becoming a good trader as well. That's also my goal now. So this is our final conclusion of this video, and with that we conclude this video. And I hope you guys got to know something with this, that I'm not doing or quitting and all that. So I'm doing all of these. A lot of things are planned and a lot of things are not planned, but I'm planning. And the next video I'm going to post C. One video which I did was on coding C. Now next which I will be coding is okay. Next video which I'll be now posting is, so our next things. First of all, I told you what is the basic structure of C, what are the functions there, how to go around with those. This was a basic introduction video. Next is going to be a video on print function. Now number 1 video will be on the number 1 video will be on printf function. Number 2 video will be on entirely, it will be on like if else, scan. Okay, printf and scanf will be together. Scanf is basically taking input from the computer user. That will be in one video. Second video will be if else. Okay, and loops, and then we are going to do okay, we are going to do pointers and arrays. This I see, if I will teach you also, I will also need to recall all those things. So I will like recall my memory. So that's a good point in teaching, and that's why I teach. So you can see all those things are going to be covering in the upcoming videos. So for that, like 6 videos will be there, and in 3 weeks we'll cover all those. In 3 weeks we are going to cover all this, and then after those 3 weeks we are going to continue on UEFI. Then now you already know C, now we're going to go with UEFI. Now UEFI will contain some other topics. One of them is protocols. Then there is protocols is the main thing, and there is structure. Okay, one more thing I forgot here was structures in this data. Structures is very easy. I'll teach that also. No problem. I will do it with the video of pointers. Okay, I'll do with that. Then we have our structure protocol that is coming in UEFI. Then what we are going to have, I'm still doing UEFI myself, but I'm still going to teach that. Then we are going to do also, there is also file I/O, file input output. That's very important for us. And then we are going to do GUI also is very important, which we are going to do. Okay, so all these projects are upcoming, guys. These are going to be highlighted specifically. These are 6 videos which are going to come. In 3 weeks we are going to cover these, and in the 2 weeks we are going to cover this. Okay, and with this I will recall my memory, and after these things, all of these things, 5-6 weeks after these things, we are actually going to build our OS. But I'm not going to disclose everything on this channel, but I'm going to definitely work on it. And I'm going to show some functions which I use basically, but I'm not going to reveal the OS. Revealing of the OS, we have still not decided it, but it's somewhat around the 6th or the 7th month in 2027, and maybe even the 8th month. 8th month is our goal, 2027, which is August, which is my birthday. So let's see. Now that's dependent on me and my friend what we want to decide, but as soon as we complete, we are going to post. But before that, these topics are going to be with you. You can also build your own OS. So make sure to check out these videos. Alright. So you can see my target also is hit. So we are, I think, up on my phone around $1,000. Yep, we are up $1,000. So that's how I make 90,000 rupees. I can make, guys, nowadays. But yeah, that's all for my tuition, college tuition and all, which I will have the expense in the USA. The 2 trades I have taken, both take profit, and third one is such a big trade. I have also taken this take profit smash. So I'm a good trader as well. So you can follow that channel if you want to make money. That's dependent on you. This is a long video. I need to edit this video now and post it.